Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Set up your TikTok shop correctly by completing your seller profile, adding high-quality product photos, writing compelling descriptions, and ensuring all your shop settings are optimized for discovery. This foundation is crucial because buyers won't trust incomplete listings. Step 2. Create authentic content that showcases your products in real-life situations rather than just static product shots. Film yourself using the product, show it in action, and tell the story behind why it matters. People on TikTok respond to genuine creators, not polished advertisements. Step 3. Leverage TikTok Shop ads by running targeted campaigns through the platform's native advertising tools. Use the Creator Fund integration to boost your best-performing organic content and retarget viewers who already engaged with your videos. Step 4. Collaborate with TikTok creators and influencers who align with your brand values. Send them free products to unbox and review, and let them create authentic content about your items using their own style and voice. This drives massive reach without feeling like a traditional ad. Step 5. Optimize your posting schedule by analyzing your audience insights to find when your followers are most active. Consistency matters too, so post regularly with a mix of entertaining content, educational tips, and direct product promotion to keep your feed fresh and engaging.